Hello folks, this is Ajha from inspiredtorise.com and today we are going to talk about the ASUS ZenBook UX391. So guys, this is one of the latest laptops by ASUS and the ZenBook UX391 comes with a very nice design. You can see that there's a tilt at the back, there's a 3.5mm jack, two USB Type-C ports, and overall it's quite an ergonomic laptop, very lightweight, very thin. There is an ergo lift design at the back which automatically tilts the keyboard at a 5.5 degree angle. It has 3 USB Type-C ports and overall I feel that it's quite a lightweight and solidly built laptop. They even dropped one for us in order to see how sturdy it is. The speakers are present at the back. At the bottom you can see they are bottom firing speakers, and overall I felt that the design is good. It comes with a 13.3-inch 1080p display and the bezels are quite minimal. So I like that design approach that they have followed. Let's talk about the hardware and specifications of this laptop. It comes with latest Coffee Lake Intel Core i7-8550U chipset. It comes with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of SSD storage, and it's quite a lightweight and powerful laptop, and the processor on this one can hit quite good clock speeds considering the fact that it's cooled and not throttling at all. If I talk about the typing experience, it was quite good on this laptop. The keyboard is not as great as something like a MacBook Pro. I'm talking about the previous generations, not the butterfly mechanism. And the touchpad experience was also okay, but I felt that at some points the touchpad felt a little bit wobbly, but overall the experience was still good. One of the main draws for this laptop is the fact that it's an ultrabook with an all-day battery life up to 13.5 hours of backup and 3x the battery lifespan of almost all of the normal laptops. It has the 3 ports which are Thunderbolt enabled, so you get really fast speeds, and it's just 12.9mm thin and weighs just around 1 kg. This tilted keyboard mechanism style present on this laptop makes it a little bit better to work on as compared to a lot of other laptops. If you're somebody who's fan of laptops which are really portable, have great battery life and can be used for work in different places, then this laptop might be a great pick for you. These laptops would be priced around 1 to 1.3 lakh Indian national rupees, and at this price they can be recommended to those productivity professionals who wanna use something which has a great battery life and on which they can do typing work or other lightweight work all day long. If you're somebody who is going to edit a lot of videos and do all of that stuff, then this is an ultrabook and I won't recommend it for those purposes. But other than that, it's quite a good workstation laptop. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.